I'd see Pismo running around the house and, you know, just going, you know, and I just knew it was time for him to get in the water. After seeing him, you know, surfing a couple times, I just knew he was a natural. It was obvious, you know, and after he'd come out, he'd just be like, and I was like, man, this guy, he wants to be a big wave surfer. Yeah, he loves to surf. Grew up loving to surf, and loves taking big waves. Like, really likes big waves. How I trained him was just by getting him in the spa at an early age and just having him do hold downs, holding his breath underwater. He's just so thankful to be out in the water and try new tricks and try bigger waves. That's his goal. What's that? Oh, biggest wave. He wants to be the biggest wave goat surfer ever. Yeah, he caught the wave of his life. I mean, you dream of catching waves like that in a contest, and he pulled it off. He couldn't. I mean, I heard him on the way home. He was so excited. He's like, yeah! And I knew right then he's living his dream.